Why do you think we want to go home?
Well, we want to go home because we have the right to seek for freedom. We also have the right to seek for self-determination. And Nigeria is a union, and we shouldn't be forced to be part of the union. Again, if you go back to look at the history of Nigeria, you'll find that Nigeria, the amalgamation of it has actually expired. So Nigeria is an illegal entity. We have the right, as a nation, the nation of Biafra, to say we don't want to be part of this union anymore. We want to go home because it's not working for us in Nigeria. Since we've been part of Nigeria, Nigeria has been killing us, marginalizing us. So it doesn't make sense. We need to be able, we need to go home and look after ourselves.
Is there anything that the Nigerian government can do to really draw this, to a close, and we become brothers again and sisters again, and carry on as one?
Do you know what I'm going to say about that? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense because millions of people have died, keep on dying because of Biafra. It doesn't make sense. You cannot force a union. We are Africans and we continue to be neighbors. We can still live and support each other as different nations. We don't have to stay or be forced to be in a union that doesn't work. It doesn't really make sense. It doesn't mean that we're going to be enemies, that if Biafra becomes independent, that we're going to be independent. No, Biafra was a time, Nigeria was a time, we were colonized by the British, but today Nigeria is independent. It doesn't mean that Nigeria and the British, they're enemies. It does not work like it. It doesn't really make sense. The union should disintegrate because the union has expired and it's not working for us. They need to allow us, but that's the right thing and the justice to happen.
We have quite a few other Biafran groups agitating for the same thing, freedom for our people. And some people are saying, why don't we all come together and make this, such a big thing, and probably be able to get our freedom quicker than we are working now.
What I'm going to say about that is, listen, a lot of people want Biafra, and a lot of people are going about Biafra in different ways. At the end of the day, we all want Biafra. And the good thing about it is that when you look at Biafrans are they're Republicans by nature. You cannot, it's like having many parties or different parties. But at the end of the day, we are seeking for freedom. We don't need to be part of one group. It's good that we have all the resources, that we maximize the resources we have to achieve the same aim, the same cause of Biafra. So to me, it's not a major problem. We don't really have to come under one umbrella to seek Biafra. Everybody can do whatever they can do, or what they know best to do, in order to achieve the same cause, the same aim, the same target, which is our independence. I think that's the only way we can go about it. Yeah.
Who are the Biafrans? Talking about the Southeast is quite a large area. Who are the Biafrans in your opinion?
Well, now Biafra have many clans, okay? And it's a very big family. It's a very big nation, and we have many tribes in Biafra. We have the Jaws, we have the Igbos speaking Biafra. We have the Indians, we have the Domas, we have the Galas. There are many tribes in the nation of Biafra. Yeah.
What's your name, man?
My name is Akum Makai from Machi.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice speaking to you.
Nice meeting you.